2015 GMC Denali reman aftermarket bumper. Had a slight dent here. I'm getting this thing repaired, so we're gonna go ahead and get this thing, get it done. I already knocked the dents out, pulled the dents. Just finishing up the body work. Man, we're gonna get this thing primer down and ready for paint for my pops Denali, man. So let's get it, man. I'll show y'all what it's gonna look like once we get it all primered. Then we're gonna hit it with the base. And we're gonna try to get it all clear. So let's go. We're knocking this thing down, man, with a 80 grit. Just getting it down. Then I'm gonna come back in to the 120, and then hit her with a 300. We should be pretty close to smooth, man. There's a slight dent. Yeah, right now, this motherfucker looking good, man. As y'all can see, she smooth all the way across. So I'm gonna come back across it with a 120 to get it smooth, and then a 300, and we're gonna get this thing ready and prep for primer, man. So let's get it. I'm about to show y'all, we about to go ahead and get this bumper and bumper flare piece for 2015 GMC Denali. We're gonna get these things painted. I'm prepping them up right now, and let's get it. All right, gang, here go the bumper flare right here. Just getting this thing sanded down, prepped and ready. Bumper right here is ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it down, tack it, cloth, and man, we're gonna get to work, man. Gonna get some base on this, some primer in, and we're gonna get some base. So. All right, gang, we making progress, man. Y'all can see we got the first base on, man. Getting her in. Getting it in, man. Y'all can see we outside with this shit, man. So no, I don't have a booth. If anybody asks, we gonna get her done, man. Gonna get her done. All right, man, we pushing, man. Y'all can see. Y'all see what's going on, man. JRB Custom, man. We ain't got no flaws and no runs.
Look at no run. Look at my work.
Look at it.
Man, you're fucking with me.
We getting it in, man. You hear me? We getting it in, man. Shit almost complete, man. And we doing this outside, man. So. Oh yeah, we done, man. Y'all can see.
I wasn't there.
We done.
What you
Man.
call it? You said,
Where is the beer? Motherfucker, she said, well, leave that motherfucker ready
good,
to come
baby.
out. Goddamn me. I don't work my shit to death today.
Look good, baby.
today I can say that I see you do it. Yeah, damn, but you lame up. Show you. Stop taking my paint.
Sheesh. New lights in it. Everything together, man. You hear me? You hear me, man?